As we all know, over 98% of our planet is covered by the waters of the Earth, and it's no wonder that as we delve deeper into these enigmatic depths, we continue to uncover some truly strange and remarkable discoveries. In a recent podcast, the renowned Joe Rogan revealed that the Navy, in collaboration with leading marine scientists, has stumbled upon a terrifying and mind-boggling discovery in the ocean. What peculiarities have these deep-sea divers found? How has humanity influenced the ecosystem of the ocean? In this video, we'll reveal the story Joe Rogan told us of what the Navy saw while diving in the ocean. The vast and significant global ocean, an immense saltwater expanse, blankets more than 70% of the Earth's surface. Among these expansive waters, the Great Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, and Arctic Oceans are the primary bodies meticulously classified by scientists. Recently, National Geographic officially recognized a fifth ocean, known as the Southern Ocean, on June 8, 2021, encircling the icy continent of Antarctica. In the mysterious depths of these oceans, scientists grapple with the awe-inspiring mystery of how many marine species inhabit these waters. Awe turns to amazement as we learn of the staggering number, currently, a recognized 226,000 ocean species. Yet, the wonder doesn't end there. The marine realm, a crucible of life, is undergoing challenges. Pollution, warming seas, and other environmental issues threaten many of these oceanic species, leading to a decline in their numbers. Astonishingly, scientists remain on the brink of discovering even more living wonders, estimating the potential existence of several 100,000 to a few million yet to be identified species. What oddities are there in the ocean? Joe Rogan, the wildly humorous comedian, MMA commentator, and the host of one of the world's most phenomenally popular podcasts, has not just expressed his amazement but has marveled at the mind-boggling unknown potential dwelling in these uncharted oceanic depths, referring to the ocean as colossal and beautiful monster soup. Astonishingly, scientists, the Navy and even the esteemed NASA appear to share this sense of wonder. Joe Rogan recently interviewed Gareth Reisman, a NASA astronaut and one of the few people to have experienced both space and the bottom of the ocean. Reisman participated in the Nemo 5 mission along with other team members from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Agency. They lived in a habitat called Aquarius, anchored to the ocean floor, to train for life in space under space-like conditions. This experience has led NASA to explore deeper regions to study even more extreme conditions than those in space. In a groundbreaking collaboration, NASA and the Navy have joined forces with the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute to explore the Huddle Zone trenches. Situated predominantly in the Pacific Ocean's fiery ring of fire, where colossal tectonic plates meet, these trenches carve profound gouges into the seabed. The Mariana Trench, the deepest among them, plunges nearly 7 miles below sea level, bearing the ominous name of Hades, the mythical Greek god of the underworld. In an ambitious undertaking, NASA is constructing a remotely operated vehicle named Orpheus, equipped with navigational technology akin to the Mars Perseverance rover. Its mission is to meticulously map the near-otherworldly seascape of these profound deep-sea trenches, unraveling the potential for life in these extreme depths. This endeavor echoes a past attempt 2014 when scientists from the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institute sent a vehicle named Nereus 6.2 miles down into the Challenger Deep near New Zealand, only to witness its catastrophic demise due to the overwhelming pressure. The crushing pressure at these staggering depths is of such intensity that it can squeeze the life out of creatures ill-equipped for such an environment. Until 1977, scientists were convinced that life couldn't endure such conditions. Yet, when a team of brave U.S. scientists submerged the vehicle named Alvin into the Pacific Ocean to study hydrothermal vents, they were astounded to discover a thriving ecosystem around the deep-sea volcanoes. Remarkable creatures such as translucent snailfish and minuscule crustaceans were not merely surviving but flourishing. Further investigation revealed these extraordinary organisms possessed special enzymes and piezolites, which supported their cell membranes and prevented them from succumbing to extreme pressures. This groundbreaking discovery sparked a widely embraced theory that life on Earth might have originated around these hydrothermal vents, where creatures eschew sunlight and exist on the chemical concoction emanating from the seafloor. Exploring the oceanic depths has always unveiled submerged secrets, including the ancient marvel of Pavlopetri, a 5,000-year-old Greek city thought to have been entombed around 1000 BCE. However, crafting a vehicle capable of withstanding the intense pressure at 40 miles down is an audacious undertaking that engineers grapple with. They are facing the challenge of creating a vessel that can endure pressures 6 miles down and prevent a recurrence of the mishap in Nereus in 2014 as it explored the oceans. These oceans, teeming with life and mysteries, serve as a source of knowledge, revealing the evolution of the ocean over the past few decades. From the colossal prehistoric megalodon, the largest shark ever to exist, to the resilient contemporary tube worms thriving in the harsh conditions of the deep sea, the oceanic depths continue to astound and captivate with their remarkable tales of life's evolution. The breathtaking Arctic Ocean, enveloping the frigid Arctic region, stands as the northernmost water body on Earth. Despite its classification as the smallest ocean, spanning approximately 5.4 million square miles, it commands attention by constituting a remarkable 4% of the Earth's surface, surpassing the United States in size by 1.5 times. This ocean, characterized by its shallowness, boasts an average depth of 3,953 feet and a jaw-dropping maximum depth of 18,264 feet. This distinctive feature is primarily attributed to the region's limited evaporation rates and the substantial influx of fresh water from majestic glaciers and rivers. The Arctic Ocean, shrouded in ice for most of the year, is now grappling with the profound impacts of climate change. The once formidable extent and thickness of the Arctic sea ice have dramatically diminished in the face of escalating global temperatures, evoking a sense of urgency and environmental apprehension. This transformation has triggered concerns about the fragile Arctic ecosystem and ignited discussions about potential geopolitical tensions. Furthermore, it has fueled fascination regarding promising economic opportunities, including exploring new shipping routes and extracting untapped natural resources. In a remarkable twist, the Arctic marine ecology thrives amidst these extreme conditions, animated by the interplay of river mouths, cascading glacial ice, and dynamic ocean currents. Even beneath the icy surface, the resilient phytoplankton, the foundational force in the marine food chain, ensures the continued vitality of this extraordinary Arctic realm. These incredibly small plants not only grow but perform the astonishing feat of photosynthesis, transforming light and nutrients into intricate organic chemicals. The duration of their bloom period, the phytoplankton, hinges on the availability of sunshine and nutrients, both undergoing seasonal changes and being influenced by ice cover. Remarkably, colossal sponges were unearthed 2 years ago, thriving atop long-extinct underwater volcanoes beneath the perpetually ice-covered Arctic Ocean. Astonishingly, these Arctic sponges from the Geodia family sustain themselves by feasting on the fossilized remains of prehistoric animals, adapting to survive in nutrient-poor conditions, as per the revelations of diligent researchers. Anton Kabosius, a marine biologist affiliated with the Max Planck Institute for Marine Microbiology and the Alfred Wegener Institute in Germany, was the chief scientist on the Polarstern icebreaker research vessel in 2016. Notably, this vessel was recently involved in the monumental discovery of massive Antarctic icefish nests. During the Arctic expedition, the team employed camera equipment to unveil the secrets of the seafloor at Langseth Ridge, an underwater mountain range with depths ranging between 700 and 1,000 meters, situated not far from the North Pole. Their captivating photographs unveiled an underwater world teeming with extraordinary richness and densely populated habitats perched on top of long-extinct volcanoes. This revelation left scientists awestruck, as the common understanding was that sponges thrived universally in oceans, ranging from vibrant tropical reefs to icy Antarctic waters. Typically, these resilient creatures feed by skillfully filtering food from the surrounding seawater, enabling them to consume nutrient-rich particles efficiently. Surviving in the Arctic Ocean is an extraordinary challenge because this region has been encased in ice for countless years, making it a harsh environment with limited food, reaching the depths where these resilient Geodia sponges flourish. So, how do these remarkable sponges persevere? Groundbreaking research to unveil the secrets of their longevity and feeding habits. Teresa Morganti, an expert in sponges from the Max Planck Institute for Marine Microbiology, meticulously examined captivating photographs and tissue samples. Surprisingly, these sponges harbor robust bacterial populations, boasting an astonishing average age of 300 years. Morganti's illuminating explanation states, "Our in-depth analysis revealed that these sponges have incredible microbial partners, known as symbionts, capable of utilizing aged organic matter. This unique ability allows them to feast on the remnants of once present but now extinct inhabitants of the seamounts, such as the protein and chitin-rich worm tubes and other entangled debris."